Hi and welcome back, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you how to find the free shop app. With a lot of websites nowadays, they are selling products off the website, and it's always handy if you want to do that to actually set up the shopping app. So what I'm going to do is just quickly show you where to find it, show you exactly what's inside, and then I'll give you an example on how it actually works on a website that somebody's got with us. So first of all, we'll need to go into the demo site builder. So we'll go to site builder, and as you know by now, if you're on the channel, then we'll click the free online site builder, click there, and then this logs you into where the templates are. So if we just quickly find one that somebody's selling something, let's go for that one. So let's say you've got a website you've set up and you're selling bread, and you want a shopping cart obviously to sell that bread. So this is your template, and as you know, you can do lots of things with your template. If you click on apps, you'll see just here shop, click on that, and then this brings up the shopping cart module that you can actually put on your website. Now for me to go through all this, it would be a very, very long video, so I'm just going to quickly show you different pages within it, and then obviously later on I'll do individual videos to show you how to set it up. So basically this is it for you, and what you can do, you can add new products if you want. So if you click there, you can actually name your product, you can add a description, you can add a image. You can change it to whatever currency you've got, and then also that currency and everything that's set up in your configurations. So next you've got is category, so you can set different categories up and you can add categories. You can also add promo codes as well, so you'll just add a code and you can set up your own codes. You can also see the orders that are coming in, obviously because we're in a demo, but your orders would come up here. You would also see by clicking here your customers as well, so when somebody's bought something, your customers would be in here. We can go to configuration, so this is the main thing that obviously you'd set up first. You'd put your shop name, you'd select your currency, and you'd also set up the different countries, so you can click there, you've got different things there. You can obviously set that there as well. You can show full price, you've got product, quantities, SKU, sorting orders, you can set the weights, and like I say, just come and have a look. It don't cost you anything to go on the demo. You can come on here and you can actually play around with it, and that's normally the better way really to find out how a shopping cart works. And also it's better to come in on the demo and actually have a look and just test it out. I know I say that and I repeat it, but that's how you get familiar with what site builder you're using, and in the long run it just makes it easy for you. So obviously payments, you've got all different payments you can set it up for. You've got delivery methods, you can add a different methods there as well, so you can set that up. Your email messages, so it's set up for you, but let's say this is what a new order from a customer would be, and you can set up, you can rewrite all this as well. Obviously I wouldn't change it all, but you can actually do that. If we go back, so okay, I've come out of that, so there you go. Waiting for it to load again, go back to shop. We're back into here again. So like I say, configurations, we've done that. There's your payments, there's your delivery methods, there's your email messages, and all you do is just click on it and readjust them to what you want. You can go to your shop homepage, and what you can do, you can have random products show up, catalogues, thumbnails, or you can set it on this one here. Again, like I say, there's quite a lot you can do with the shopping cart, and it's obviously very nice that it's within your hosting package. So what we can do now, if we just go over and let's find somebody else. Let's do a search. Let's go over to this business here, and this is Crafted in Metal, and as you can see, that's got a shop on, and this is the product page with all the different things they're selling. So let's just say, for example, we go to this one here, and this is the actual page you would set up. So you can put a decent image in, you can put a good description in, you can also set it up for shipping, you can add postage and package as well, the price. If you click on the shopping cart, add to cart, this is the next page that comes up. They can add all the delivery details in here. Your payment set up with either whatever payment it's on, like PayPal or Stripe. You can set all this up as well, and that's all done in the configurations. And then obviously you can agree to or look at the terms and conditions, and then you can check out. Obviously I've not filled the details in, but yeah, so that's how to find the free shop app. So again, like I say, if you're not subscribed, then please do. If you want to ask any questions, then drop a comment below the video. And again, I'm here to help you. If you want to build a website and you want to do it in with a realistic price, then come over to this Simple Web Start. Have a look at the videos. And then, like I say, you can decide from there. Use the site demo. That's what it's there for. Check that out. And I'll see you on the next video.